leaders and elders of our state, all protocols during the job. Your Excellency, I hereby seek your permission to address the round of SN. Those who want to swear, I will be faithful and declare to the Federal Republic of Ghana, according to law, without fear or favor, affection or evil, and I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter as may be required for the duty.
We intend to start early so that we can achieve. The task ahead of us is really enormous, so we don't need to leave any stone unturned. Those of you that are the commissioners today, please, it's not that you are the best, it's not that you're the most favored, it's grace of God upon you. So please, discharge your duty with all amount of patriotism, knowing fully well that the success of this administration is key. We need all your cooperation and support to ensure that we succeed. We need to succeed. There is nothing but success for us. I strongly believe that my team, with the support of my deputy, and every well-meaning Rivers person who appreciates what we are enjoying, peace. This government is for a purpose, and we have to do everything to ensure that we meet that purpose. Let's work together as a team so that we can achieve for the Rivers people. I also have to congratulate you for your appointment and plead that you work with your team. It's important. You have the chairman, you have other members. So as you're going back to join them, work with them so that we can achieve a better electionary process when we want to conduct our local government election.